In this video, I'll show you how to use CorelDRAW online for free directly from the official website. If you don't want to download or install any software, this method lets you access powerful design tools right from your browser. I walk you step by step through how to sign up. And if you want more safe software tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Go to your browser and write "Try CorelDRAW online." You will see the official website at first and then click on it. Scroll down and find Try CorelDRAW free. Click on Try Free. After that you will see a page where you need to log in or sign up with your email, so insert your email address and then continue. So now put your first and last name in the required blank, then continue. Wait a moment, after that a new page will be opened. Click on Agree and Continue. Just click on Next and Next. Now click on the silver and green button to create a new document or template. Select your page size and then click on OK. That is it. Enjoy your work for 16 days trial.